my favoriteest ooly day of the ooly year. It's Spring-a-Ding!
Spring-a-Ding?
It's the most wonderful day in Gizmo when flowers bloom all at once in a spectacular display of floweriness.
Ooh.
We're gonna set these pots all over the plaza. And when everyone's gathered, I will sing this year's special Spring-a-Ding magical song.
Magical song?
Yes, every year I come up with a brand new one. As I sing it to the pots, the song tickles the flower seeds awake, and they blossom into floweriness all at once.
Wow! You can make flowers grow with a song? Can you sing it now?
Oh, well, you see, it's a secret song. Otherwise, someone else might sing it, and the flowers would pop up at the wrong time.